That was weird. Hey guys, what's going on? Sneak Killer 246 here. I'm doing some content, actual content, not some just making it up as we go. So today we're going to be opening up
these Wave Runner balls, not sponsored, but they're fun. I recommend
this thing. I can't show it to you because copyright purposes. Those beach balls that you skip on the water when you're at the beach. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call them beach balls, but you know what they are. You skid them across the water. Oops, can't show you that. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna start at the stitches.
Jab it. Is that gonna work?
I don't know.
He's bending the knife, guys.
Cut it.
They're getting in on this action.
Yeah, okay, guys, we'll be back when we actually do it. But we can't.
Guys, we are back, and we managed
did
to
it.
get a hole in it.
We can, if you can see, there's like some kind of gel in there. Maybe.
Why are you doing that? I didn't think you
guys could go like this. Cut this open again. Hopefully, it actually works. There we go.
Dank memes.
There we go. So we got this weird kind of gel thing. Yeah, sure.
Oh, guys, this is really weird. It's like this gray gel thing. This isn't what I was expecting by gel, but yeah, it looks really weird. It's like this.
Yeah, I thought it would just be more liquidy, I guess I should say.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be more sticky. That actually makes a good squishy if you guys ever heard of them. I mean, they get dirty quick, but
Okay, it'll be a little squishy. I know. Oh god, stop. Okay, let's just cut this up more. God, why is this so hard to cut open? Oh yeah, I'm using a dinner knife.
B-O-T-R-N-I-F-E. I'm smart.
There we go. Okay. Okay.
Whoa!
Let me just get this out.
There.
Oh, that's so cool!
Holy crap, guys, it's actually white, not gray.
It has really weird.
Oh, I am holding the one.
It?
I am holding it.
What the heck?
No, you want to see if you can get any deeper?
We should go play catch with
Yo,
this is so cool.
Just
So, this is it for right now. We are going to cut even deeper into this.
And see if it's actually a liquid, because, guys, wouldn't that be cool? Alright, guys, so we'll be right back after this quick break. Okay, guys, we have the thingy. It looks like there's some gel in it. Stab it! Let's do this. Let's see if we can cut this. We're not going to hold you back. Don't do that 10-second skip thing. Ah, shoot. I'm 10 seconds bracing for altitude.
Oh my god, it's...
What?
That's so weird. Guys, okay, so look at this. It's literally...
What is
this? This is strong. There we go. It's through.
Guys, we got inside of it, so can't we just take off that little layer to see if there's that weird gel stuff in there? Yeah, guys, parents, right? When do you realize it's not a joke? It's like a giant condom.
Don't say that. Oh my god, okay.
Ew, that sound!
The sound is so gross. Just cut it open. Well, you try cutting something open with a dinner knife. Okay, let's see. Hold on. It's not really gel. It's oh my god.
That material.
That's really...
Oh. I'm a cloud now, guys. A cloud who can't breathe.
Sorry, guys. That was a little bit of technical difficulties. Let's get back. Okay. Stop that. Stop that. Ow! So, it's not what I was expecting. It was I thought it would be some substance from the like beanbag, like sticky beans or whatever. And then Henry thought
It was gonna be like, yeah, have you guys ever seen those Stretch Armstrong videos? If anybody's watching this, the last video got 0 views. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
But
let's go.
anyways, I thought it was gonna be like the stuff inside of like Stretch Armstrong, like that weird gel stuff. But I guess it's just like I don't
It's
even
like-
know what to call
No. Sorry, that was weird. It keeps on like lagging and stuff. So like, it's weird because like it like I have low disk space or something. That's what it's been saying. But hopefully that doesn't happen again. So let's just get back to the video. So as you can see, it's the gel substance. Can you? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Henry's about to kill himself. Okay. I'm gonna stab you.
Just stabs my a-hole as an anus hole.
And then you see, like, there's that, and it's weird. It's like gel, but not gel. I don't know what to call it.
You know, a-hole originally abbreviated from anus hole.
Yeah, so we're.
Stop talking about this.
I'm gonna start.
Dank memes.
I'm gonna start cutting even like farther and just like cut it in half and just like.
Dank
Okay, we
memes.
got it. You like dank memes.
Infinite list. If you're watching this, then
Screw you.
I think I have a cavity. Oh wait, no, that's from pencil.
What the heck?
These people aren't. You're not a dentist, Henry.
Okay,
What
no
is
one
that?
wants to see your teeth. No one wants to see your teeth.
But I think that's actually a pencil. Like, I'm not kidding.
You stick pencils in your
Dank meme.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then that's probably a pencil. Guys, Henry's gonna mess up his video. Y'all know the truth.
So anyway, getting back to the video. God, sometimes these members are just members. So cutting this in half now. No one wants to hear your singing, Julian.
Wait a sec. No, you dug up this vase, aka grave. What? Why is it here?
But it was back in the backyard.
Go look. Where Chimo's still there. Where Chimo's grave is. I mean, not Chimo. Yes, Chimo.
I hope.
What
So
would you do if someone killed Chimo?
in here, like out here,
Yeah.
like one of you guys,
No, just any of them.
I'd be sad and pissed, I guess.
What if it was one of us?
Then I would never talk to you again and never let you even close to my pets or even me. Ah!
Guys, I love this video title. It's a great video title.
That's the video title for now. Change it.
You cut it in half. Nice.
Well, if it's
Guys, no one's gonna view this video because of Henry's teeth.
okay.
Also, no one's gonna do this video because you guys are being. You're not being optimistic,
The
I
next
think.
video should be called Tree Adventure.
Guys, look, it's a golden go-go.
Where?
In there. In there.
Oh god, this is. There we go. Did I get it?
Nicholas? I know I'm really dumb. It's a golden gopher.
I know, it's mine.
Can we have it?
No, it's mine.
But how come they're back there?
I don't know. Why didn't you go ask my parents?
Because your parents scare me.
Oh. Yeah. Guys, this is so hard. God. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna be at my house playing outside now.
Okay.
But guys, we're gonna be at his house climbing the rain.
Okay, well, I'm left alone because my crew members ditched me. And they're a-hole. In the anus hole, not, you know, the other a-hole. Yeah. Guys, I'm almost done. Oh, God. Oh, this is so hard. If you ever want a great workout, cut open a beach ball. Okay, guys, I got it in half. Well, not exactly, but here's the stuff. There's a little, I don't know what that is, dirt, guess. But, yeah. I'm going to cut in the middle, see what's up. And, yeah. I'm guessing it's like the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, guys, same thing. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. This was the you know, the stuff. The 3 parts of it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a nice, I hope you liked the video. If you want me to do more stuff like this, go comment in the section below. And yeah, see you guys. And I'm signing off.